Experiencing data issues with Tesco Mobile abroad? Let's get you connected. First, ensure your roaming toggle is enabled. On Android or iOS, find it in Settings, Mobile Data, Roaming. Without this on, data won't work, even with a valid roaming plan. Next, check your APN, access point name. This is the gateway connecting your device to Tesco's network. The default APN is prepay.tesco for pay-as-you-go or everyday for monthly plans. If your APN resets abroad, manually input the correct one in Settings, Mobile Networks, Access Point Names. This forces data through Tesco's servers, resolving most connectivity problems. As of October 2025, Tesco Mobile's app has an AI-driven roaming assistant that can auto-detect and fix APN issues, potentially saving you the hassle. But manual checks are still crucial, especially on older devices. If the roaming toggle and APN are correct and you're still having issues, try manual network selection. Go to Settings, Mobile Networks, Network Operators, and switch from automatic to manual. Select a compatible local carrier, for example, Vodafone in Spain. This can bypass roaming glitches, but you'll need to know local network codes. Tesco provides a list on their website. Looking ahead, mobile roaming is evolving. Tesco Mobile is increasingly using AI to predict and fix roaming issues automatically. eSIMs, which allow instant setup without physical SIM cards, are becoming more popular. Tesco offers eSIM plans with bundled roaming data. Also, Tesco's EcoRoam feature optimizes data for low-power usage, which is appealing to eco-conscious travelers. By 2030, satellite integration could eliminate roaming dead zones. But for now, understanding the basics of roaming toggles, APNs, and manual network selection remains crucial for a smooth travel experience.